for a healthier future.
Today, we will explore a concept that is revolutionizing human health. The gut is the second brain. This striking statement was coined by world-renowned gastroenterologist Dr. Michael D. Gershon. In his book, The Second Brain, he demonstrates through scientific research that the gut is not only responsible for digestion, but also directly affects our mental and emotional health. Our gut has the most complex nervous system in our body after our brain, says Dr. Gershon. Thanks to the many studies on gut health in recent years, we now know that gut health is closely related to brain health. So much so that the gut is now referred to as the second brain. But why? The first reason is that our intestines are very similar to our brains in terms of cell structure, active substances, and receptors. This similarity means that, just like our brains, our gut can remember, feel, and influence our decision-making process. Moreover, our intestines are not only involved in digesting beneficial substances and eliminating harmful substances from the body. It also controls the transmission of substances of the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, the balance of certain stimulating hormones, and protective secretions, thanks to the layer of nerve cells in the intestinal wall. All these data obtained about the intestine cause it to be referred to as the second brain. The cells in our intestines, our second brain, record various information in a similar way to our brain and use it when necessary. For example, the intestine detects harmful substances that enter our body through nutrition before the brain does and quickly removes the danger from the body with a high level of defense. All the research on the relationship between the brain and the gut shows that gut health also has an impact on mental health. In this article, we will discuss the effects of our intestines on our mental health. Here are 6 effects of our gut on our mental health. 1. Calming and happy hormones. Research shows that our intestines also secrete certain hormones that affect our mood. According to this, the brain and the intestines share the digestive system, and our intestines act in a close relationship with calming and happy hormones. In fact, 5% of serotonin, known as the happiness hormone, is produced in the brain and 95% in the intestines. 2. Emotions and behaviors. Some studies have shown that when gut bacteria taken from depressed people are fed to mice, the same symptoms of depression are observed in mice. This is because the bacteria in our gut regulate the activity of neurochemicals that control our mood and manage our emotions and behaviors like a second brain. 3. Depression. In light of the above, scientists believe that depression may also be a consequence of poor gut health. Research shows that during infancy, the gut is activated before the brain. Accordingly, some of the information that the gut records in infancy may put a person at risk of lifelong depression, or the abundance of bad bacteria in the gut flora. In other words, an unhealthy gut can also negatively affect a person's mental health, making them more prone to depression. 4. Decision-making process. Research shows that our brain does not make decisions independently. The intestines, the so-called second brain, also have an impact on this process. According to this, the gut receives feedback from the storehouse of information the brain sends it and can even influence our decision-making process. 5. Worries and anxieties. We have already mentioned that there is research showing that there are genes in our gut that regulate our emotions. According to this, these genes can affect the brain and cause anxiety and irritability. Many scientists believe that people who struggle with anxiety and worry should have their gut checked. 6. Brain development. In line with research on the brain-gut relationship, there are many scientists who argue that without our gut bacteria, there would be major changes in the structure, functioning, and behavior of the brain. Accordingly, our gut bacteria may also help the development of the brain. Therefore, gut flora health is extremely important for brain health. Remember, the most valuable treasure you have is your health. If you like our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for our new videos.